Hi guys, in this video we talk about Honor 90 Pro versus Honor 100 Pro. The Honor 19 Pro launched on June 2023 with the price tag of $500 and the Honor 100 Pro launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $500. The weight, the Honor 90 Pro have 192 grams and the Honor 100 Pro have 195 grams. The build, the Honor 90 Pro and Honor 100 Pro front and back glass and the aluminum frame both come with dual SIM. The display, the Honor 90 Pro have AMOLED 1 billion color display and the Honor 100 Pro have OLED 1 billion color. The screen size is same and the resolution of 90 Pro and the 100 Pro have 1224 by 2700 and the PPI density is same 437. The refresh rate, Honor 90 Pro and Honor 100 Pro have 120Hz refresh rate and screen to body ratio is same, and Gorilla Glass protection, and the Honor 90 Pro have 1600 nits peak brightness and the Honor 100 Pro have 2600 nits peak brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The Honor 90 Pro have triple camera setup, the main sensor 200 megapixel and the second ultrawide 12 megapixel and the 32 megapixel telephoto optical zoom 2x. It's also record 4K 30 fps video. And the Honor 100 Pro have triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 32 megapixel telephoto and 12 megapixel ultra wide. It's also record 4K 60 fps video. The selfie camera, the both devices have dual camera setup and 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. It's also record 4K 30 fps video with selfie camera. The platform, the Honor 90 Pro CPU have octa-core processor and Cortex-X2 and Honor 100 Pro have octa-core processor with Cortex-X3. The Honor 90 Pro have Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 4nm processor and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm processor in Honor 100 Pro. The GPU of these devices, the Honor 90 Pro have Adreno 730 and the Adreno 100 Pro have Adreno 740 and the Honor 90 based on Android 30 and the Honor 100 Pro Android 14. The memory, the Honor 90 Pro and Honor 100 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and Honor 90 Pro have 256GB and 512GB internal storage and the Honor 100 Pro have 256GB, 512GB and 1TB storage. And the both devices don't have any SD card slot and SD card. The battery, the Honor 90 Pro have 5000 mAh battery and the Honor 100 Pro have 5000 mAh battery. The fast charging, the Honor 90 Pro have 90 watt fast charging and the Honor 100 Pro have 100 watt fast charging. And the wireless charging, Honor 90 have no any wireless charging. Honor 100 have 66 watt wireless charging. It's also come with 5G network. Honor 90 Pro got 20 points and Honor 100 Pro got 25 points.